Well, after first couple of weeks, I found that my peak flow levels were starting to increase,
Okay.
and I found that I was sleeping better at night in the sense that I was not waking up in the early hours of the morning with wheezing and coughing.
Okay.
That has now gone completely.
Okay.
Um, I feel much better. I tend to forget that I'm an asthmatic. I find that I'm leaving my Ventolin pump behind. I'm not carrying it with me anymore. I don't ever, after 9, 10, 12 weeks, whatever it is now, I find that I don't need to carry my Ventolin with me.
Okay.
I've cut my medication down by more than half. I now only take a Flexitide once morning and once night, and sometimes I don't even bother to take it every day.
Okay.